So far, the journey has been very good. I'm getting exposed to a lot of industrial standards in first year itself that I didn't expect to happen.
I work here at the International Affairs Department for the college, and while they are studying at the same college and get paid for the work that they do. So collaboration, as far as it goes, I think Dayananda Sagar University is very open to collaboration with students, and we can also see that in the history of Dayananda Sagar University, many students have published their paper and they've also grown to a certain level in their lives where, they wouldn't have thought.
So when building a startup, right, the main important thing I need to understand as an entrepreneur is the needs of the customer. And my course plays a key role in this because design takes a very human-first approach, and the curriculum that we are being taught here, the design thinking methodology and all that really helps me in perfecting my products for my startup.
So I'm a person who like to meet other people and network with other people. So in this course particularly, I feel like they encourage you to talk to other people from other courses, and then you connect with them, you share your interests, and they teach whatever they have from you. So you learn a lot of things and you collaborate with them and create something new.
So as a first year, everybody will think that, okay, you have to complete your entire course to start something. But here it's much different. All the faculty members and all the teaching staff, everybody force us to start something. And even though if we don't have much of an idea on what company we're going to start, or we don't have much knowledge about it, the faculty members are ready to help us.